Hey kids, do you like cereal? But I know I sure do. Then you're gonna love today's episode. It's all about cereal! You know what that sound is? It's time for the Linus Show! It's the Linus Show. Here we go. You can eat a pickle if you need to. It's the Linus Show. Now you know. Let's have fun hanging with the Linus crew. So, do you know how to make cereal?
Yeah!
You do? Then let's make some cereal. What's the first thing you need to make cereal? Huh? That's right. A cereal bowl. What's the second thing you need to make cereal? It's cereal. You can almost taste it. What? That's not cereal? It's cookies! Oh, how did those get in there? That's okay. I'll eat the cookies real quick. Let's try again.
Linus cereal, take 2.
What's the first thing we need when making cereal? That's right, a cereal bowl. Check. What's the second thing we need when making cereal? That's right, cereal. What's the third? Huh? That's not cereal? Let me see. That's not cereal. That's a dirty sock. Get out of here, you dirty sock. Let's try again.
Linus cereal, take 3.
What's the first thing we need when eating cereal? That's right, a cereal bowl. What's the second thing we need when eating cereal? That's right, cereal.
Yeah!
Yay! Now we gotta pour it in the bowl. Okay, we did it so far. What's the third thing we need when eating cereal? That's right, milk. Boop. Oh boy. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, that's a lot of milk. Put the lid back on so you don't spill it. Wait a minute. We forgot to check something really important. For a toy surprise in the cereal box! Toy surprise! Toy surprise! Toy surprise! Whoa! Look what I found! A cool toy surprise for Linus! What do you think it is? Is it a frisbee? Whoa! You think it's a paper plate? I don't think so. I think it's a fancy hat. I'm going to try it on. Oh, wow. Look at me. Wearing a fancy hat. Woo! Too fancy. Now we have to find a spoon so we can eat our cereal. Check. Got the spoon. Now let's dig in. Ooh. I love cereal. Can I tell you a secret? My mom doesn't like me eating cereal because she says I chop too much. Hey, Mom! I'm eating cereal again! Woo! And I'm chopping! I'll never stop chopping. Never.